Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the third Sudoku, a 3-star Sudoku in the additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Monday, July the 27th, 2020. We have here a 3-star Sudoku, and this will be a number 1, 2, 3, 3. Yes. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers in the Sudoku. We have here 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, plus 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 5 is 17, plus 3 is 20, 23, 25. Correct. As expected, 25. The previous one has 26. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I use? How about the number? The number... Yeah. Well, what number can I use? That's the question. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. In this column, no. Yeah, in this column, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So in the second row, the row between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Oh, there we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between, the only 2 places for the 5 here. Oh, there we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then, how about the number? The number. Yeah. Let me think. 7, 3 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. I cannot. Need more information. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Yes. Alright. One in this row, 1 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for the 1 should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places for the 1, here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. These 2 numbers should be the 6 and the 8. So we have a 6 and the 8 here. In this row, we have 1 missing number then. 6 and the 8. This should be the number 2. Then 2, 4, 8, 6. Yeah. Alright. How about the number? No. Yes. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9. No 9 in these 2 boxes. There 9. No 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third row. 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 9 should be there. And then okay. I cannot continue with the 9. How about the number 7? I need a 7. 8 and 4 is missing in this column. 8 and a 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 7. Let me mark them for you, 9 and 7, so you can follow it easier. 9 and the 7, so these 3 numbers. 4 is missing. 6 is missing. 6 should be here. 4, 6, and 8. 8 could be everywhere. Yeah. Well. 6 and 8. Which number? 4 in this row. 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 4 should be here. These 3 numbers. 9. These 2 should be a 9. The 2 should be here. We have a 2 here. And the 7 could be everywhere. 2, 7, 9. That means 1 box left for the 8. These 2 should be also an 8. 2 is missing. How about these 2 numbers? The 2 and the 8 is missing. No. We have a 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and an 8. We have an 8 here. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here. So this can be a 7. This should be the 9. And this should be the 7. The 2 and the 6 is missing in the last row. That means the other 2 numbers. The 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We have an 8 now. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here, so this can be a 6. These 2, 6 and the 2. Yes, we have a 6 here. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 4 goes there. 1 number left in the first row for the number 4. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 8 and 7. 8 and 7, we have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. No, I cannot fill this yet. 4 and 6. Need to wait. How about these 3 numbers? 1, 2 is missing. Here, 2 can be here or could be there. The 4 is missing. 4 could be here, could be there. And the 7 is missing. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. The other 2, the 4 and the 2 now. The 4 and the 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the 4 and the 6, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 9, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 1 number left in this third column for the number 6 is missing. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 4. We have a 6 now, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Quicker and faster than the 2 previous Sudokus. Wow, so you cannot tell if this is a really 3-star Sudoku. So the difficulty level, it's not depending how many printed numbers in the Sudoku. It's also are there a lot of pairs in the Sudokus. Alright, I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 4th Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. So see you later and bye bye for now.